cable, and then what's up guys, welcome to my channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a mouse for my computer. Okay, so here it is. Oh, that's the charger fell. Here's the charger. Okay, charging cable, and then here's the actual mouse itself. Okay, so let's see. Here it is. Okay. So wow, it's silver, made by Fox. Never heard of that brand ever in my life. But you know, I have another mouse. That's like kind of darker. It's different, but like this is a different type of mouse. You know, charged right there. You know, with your charging cables, obviously. But yeah, this is. I mean, like the scrolling is like the scrolling mechanism is like it's small, right? You know, smaller than you maybe would have expected. Anything else in the box? Obviously, there's going to be some terms and conditions. Well, there's actually a product manual, dear customers, frequently asked questions. Okay, so yeah, that's pretty much it. Okay, so yeah, here's the mouse, and yeah, I mean, overall, this looks like a pretty good mouse. So you have the on and off switch right here. Dang, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like right there. Okay, so right now I just turned it on. Now I don't have my computer with me, so I won't be able to test this right now. But I will be able to test this sometime later. And then obviously you have a DPI. I don't know what DPI means. You have the connect button right next to it to connect to the computer. But this is a wireless optical mouse. I'm gonna turn it off for now just to save battery. Or I don't know if it's already charged or not, but yeah, it's battery type lithium polymer. I don't know what that is. Okay, so yeah, clickers sound pretty nice, but yeah. So I plan on using this pretty often for my homework, obviously. You know, I don't have a job, so that's what I'm gonna be using this for homework and for school. So yeah. Anyway, pretty short unboxing, but yeah. Anyway, thank you guys for watching this video. If you enjoyed, please like the video. Please subscribe for more, okay? Kind of said this a long time ago, but you know, 1,000 subscribers before the end of the year, okay? Seems pretty impossible at the moment, but man, we gotta at least try, okay? 1K subscribers before the end of the year, okay? I'm gonna try to drop a video at least once a week, right? So, you know, Crossy Road videos every Saturday, Crossy Road shorts every Saturday. Today's Monday, so every Monday, a long format video like this one. So yeah, just tune in for subscribe to the channel. Right now my channel is made for kids. I'm trying to remove that and make it not made for kids. So just subscribe for now. I'll change that later, but yeah, anyway. See you guys in the next one. Peace.